Hi, today we will be looking at the admin side of the Nuvepro hands-on learning platform. Let me start by sharing my screen. So here again at the URL hands-on.nuvepro.io, and this URL can be white labeled according to your organization needs if necessary. I will log in as the admin here. My username and password is saved. And as soon as I log in to the platform, you will see a list of things which is coming up on the left panel here. Are the this front page what I'm showing you, the solution is a customized Moodle interface. Here we have renamed some of the things on Moodle itself with our plugin. Here you can see this term skill bundles. This is a Nuvepro term. It can also be easily understood as a learning path. So a skill bundle can include one or more of Nuvepro solutions. So here, when I go on the admin side, I will be able to see all of the Nuvepro solutions coming up here. And the Nuvepro solutions include playgrounds, which is a pre-configured environment, which could be a virtual machine, a VS Code environment, an AWS Azure or a GCP account, a big data cluster, etc. A project is primarily a guided project which gives you steps along with to solve a real world problem statement or a real world project. And assessments are real world projects which do not have steps to solve, but we can auto evaluate it. So here, from an admin side, what actions can you do? So you can view all the skill bundles. Let's take one of them, which is an AWS Cloud Developer. So as an admin, you have the rights to enroll and unenroll users. So here you will see that there are a lot of users who have been enrolled. So you can enroll or unenroll users here. The list of users can be uploaded to the platform if you're going to be using our front end through a CSV file. However, you can also use integration mechanisms such as SSO, APIs, or LTI to integrate into our platform, in which case the user information will come in from the platform where the learner is logging in. So this was one of the things which you could do, which was enroll and unenroll users. Here you also have the ability to see the grades. Here, this specific skill bundle has all of these different activities, module one, module two, etc. And what are the grades or completion activities for each of these modules can be seen here as a report. This is one report which is available. Apart from that, we also provide reports in another location. Here, you can come into reports, and there is Cloud Labs here. Under that, also, you will see the reports coming in. And here, you will see all of the course names or skill bundles of Nuvepro available here. Let me just search for the Cloud Developer, one which we just now saw, and see what kind of reports are available. So here there is a AWS Cloud Developer. You will see that there are a total 42 assessments in that specific skill bundle, and 15 participants have taken it. I can go through that, and then I can see how many attempts and how many results are available here. So here you will see that I have taken like 18 attempts, but no results yet because I have not bothered to submit it or complete it. There's one person who has, or two people who have done it. Let's go to one of them, and you will see that this particular person has taken an assessment and completed to a certain extent. And here, this specific one is like all done. So I can take this specific attempt and take a look at the evaluation result. So here I don't think it's formatted correctly, but yeah, you will be able to see the results in a much better fashion than it was displayed there. So this is the second report you will find here. So similar to that, you can ask Nuvepro to develop any kind of skill bundles according to the business goal or the skill goal which you have. Additionally, we can give you the permissions and the methods to create your own skill bundles on the Nuvepro platform. Nuvepro will be able to work with you and attach whatever is the sandbox or the playground labs to those specific content which you're bringing in. Yeah, so this was a quick overview of the admin interface of Nuvepro, and look forward to meeting with you in another demo session soon. Thank you.